Taking your bike apart to pack for a vacation, event, or sale can seem like a daunting task. However, it's not as hard as you think. If you can master these 5 disassembly essentials, then you can pack almost any bike in a variety of boxes and cases. First, remove pedals. You'll need an Allen wrench, usually a 6 or an 8, or a pedal wrench. Keep in mind, the right and left pedals are threaded opposite from each other. A good way to remember which way is tight and loose is to turn the wrench towards the back of the bike to loosen, thinking of the wrench turning over the top of the pedal threads and towards the front of the bike to tighten. Remove your wheels. You'll usually need a 5 or 6 millimeter Allen wrench, or just your hand for a quick release. Lefty-loosey the through axle to loosen, pull the through axle out and remove your wheel. For your rear wheel, shift into the smallest cog, and once you remove your axle, ratchet your derailleur up and out of the way before dropping your wheel out of the frame. Before packing your wheels away, it's always a good idea to remove the rotors. Usually there's 2 ways rotors are attached, a 6-bolt configuration or a center lock lock ring. For the center lock lock ring, you'll need a center lock tool, which is usually the same as a cassette or bottom bracket tool. For the 6-bolt configuration, it's usually a T25 Torx wrench. Remove the derailleur. If you're shipping in a box that requires you to remove the rear wheel, then we recommend you remove your derailleur as well. This is to help prevent your hanger from getting bent. This only requires 1 wrench, usually an Allen or Torx of similar size. Lefty-loosey and remove. Then secure the derailleur to your padded chainstay with a strap or zip tie. Remove your seat post. Before you do anything though, mark your seat height so you know exactly where to put your seat when you put your seat post back in. This is usually a single wrench, 4 to 6 millimeter Allen wrench. Loosen the collar or expansion plug bolt, then remove your post. Tighten the bolt on the collar back a few turns so it stays in place during shipping. For the expansion plug, pull the whole assembly out and put it in your small parts box for safe storage. These are easy parts to lose and sometimes hard to find at your destination, so take care to store them someplace safe. Finally, you may need to remove your handlebars. If so, the faceplate is attached by some configuration of bolts. Usually a 4 to 5 millimeter Allen wrench or similar sized Torx wrench. Remove the bolts, remove the faceplate, and remove your handlebar. Replace the faceplate with bolts and tighten them so they do not back out during shipping. On the destination side, it may be helpful to pack a torque wrench so you know your bolts torque to spec. If you can master removing your pedals, wheels, derailleur, seat post, and handlebars, then you can save yourself time and money by packing and assembling your bike on your own. Give this video a like, and for more helpful packing and shipping related videos, subscribe to the Bike Flight's YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.